Welcome. I hope you are all doing good today. Today I am making a healthy and flavorful chicken salad. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. When I washed the lettuce has seen better days. When I was washing it, it fell apart. This is going to be a nice, fast video, a nice quick video. I'm adding in the shredded cabbage. Adding in the red peppers. Some onions, red onions. Green onions. And some tomatoes. Everything will be in the description box. And this is the shredded chicken. So I had 2 medium chicken breasts left over. So I decided to make a nice salad. So this is the lovely chicken. That's why it's called flavorful. This is my homemade salad dressing. I hope you are going to try this at home. Okay, I'm going to try it now. Wow. It's nice and crunchy. The flavor of the salad dressing, oh, it's really nice. I probably will put the recipe in the description box for you. It is worth trying, trust me. Yes, my friends, there you have it. A beautiful, healthy, and flavorful chicken salad. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Please give me a like. Let me know if you tried this. And also, we are in spring now, so summer is on its way, and we're gonna be making a lot of salads. So I hope if you're going to a barbecue or wherever you're going on a picnic, that you're going to try this recipe. Love you all. See you next time.